Yeah, good day, investors. I'm just so super excited. Uh, Reason because we are delivering what we promised. So promise delivered. Just making me excited right now. So over here is a promise we made just few months ago. We came up with a Camberwell Advantage luxury court with a penthouse. You can see it's almost completed. It's at the 70% completion or more. So this is a promise delivered. This project is just off the Freedom Way, and also another project off the what is it called, the Ikate Total filling station by the Toyota company, and also by the Dome Church. So we have this project you are seeing right here. It might interest you to know that it's sold out. Almost 65 units of uh, buildings here are sold out, completely sold out. So it's completely sold out. So you are not left out. You are not left out. We have the second phase of the project. We have the second phase of the project, which I will be introducing you to. This is the phase 2. The phase 3 is what I'm introducing you to. We also have phase 3. We also have phase 3 of this project. So the phase 3 project will be having a 3-bedroom maisonette going for 65 million naira. 3-bedroom maisonette with a BQ is 80 million naira. Then 4-bedroom penthouse that will be having a private cinema is 130 million naira. So this is a great investment for you. While the Camberwell Advantage 4 that is off the Freedom Way and also off the Lekki Regional Road linking Ikate, Lekki to VGC. Imagine when that road, regional road is completed, we'll be having less traffic in Lagos. So it's an opportunity to position yourself right now. The advantage of investing now is that you sell higher when it is completed. You sell higher when it is completed. Another one is because is that you will be buying at a significantly low price. So it's an so you'll be buying at a significantly low price. And another one is the opportunity to make a rental income. The minimum project to have here will earn you up to 3.5 million naira. That is the minimum rental income you'll be having here, of which that is the current rate. So by the time this project is finished, your rental income will be about 4.5 million naira for the minimum apartment here. So it's a great opportunity for you. The second one, the fourth one, yes, the fourth one is that you can tweak your design to your choice. Buying at this stage, you can tweak your design to your choice. You can tweak the interior the way you want it. You can tweak the designs the way you want it for yourself, for your investment purpose. Then the last one I have is the opportunity to grow your capital. By the time it is completed, you'll be saying way higher. Even 1 year later or so, you'll be saying way higher. So it's a great investment opportunity for you. My advice has always been to my investors to invest at the pre-construction stage or during construction. You can see people keyed into the phase 2. It is sold out, completely sold out. So come and key in to the phase 3. of our project. We'll be featuring automated home. These apartments to be fully automated with elevator. There will be swimming pool. There will be high-speed internet. There will be ample parking space. There will be clubhouse. There will be gym center. There will be 24/7 surveillance and electricity. So it's a great investment for you. Another great opportunity for you is that when you invest now with a minimum of 70%, you'll be having a car. If you pay up to 70%, you'll be having a car gift for just investing for your future and for yourself, for your children. Just pay up to 70% and you will have a car, a brand new car for yourself that will even earn you money while you are making money from your investment here. So over here is our project. The piling has been done. The clearing of the piling is ongoing. So this project timeline of this project is 24 months. Is going to be a promise delivered. I introduced you to firstly to the phase 2, which is at the 70% completion. So that is our phase 2 of our project. This is the phase 3. Our phase 1 is also sold out. Phase 2 sold out. This is phase 3. The phase 4 is the one that is off the regional road Lekki and of the Freedom Way. The advantage of investing there also is that you'll be on the edge. That project, the regional road linking Lekki to the Chevron, will ease Lekki traffic. So positioning yourself here is a great edge. So by the time that project is done, which is also the timeline is 24 months and it's ongoing. By the time that project is done, you have inflows of investors here, which is obviously they've started, as you can see. So come and key in now. My aim is to bring my investors to high profile investments that will earn them high returns on investment. So this is a great opportunity for you to have a property at Ikate. There is never any traffic issue leading to this estate. You can come in through the Total filling station at Ikate. You can come in through the Ikate Elegushi entrance. So there are about 3 entrances coming to this estate, and it's just within 2 minutes drive from the Lekki Ekpe Expressway. So thank you very much. The area is fully developed. So I expect your call for inspection. This is a great investment opportunity for you. Like I said, the minimum apartment to have here will earn you up to 4.5 million naira per annum. That is the minimum. So it goes up from there. I know this area very well because I lived here, so I know the cost of properties around here. So key in now, and be on the safer side. Key in now. By the time this project is at the 70% completion, it will be sold out. Before 70% completion, I mean before 50% completion, so it will be sold out. So key in now. Before 50%, your investment have appreciated, and they've not completed the project. So come and key in now. Thank you very much. I expect your call. Thank you.